Hi friends, today I am going to show you a simple way of preparing the Mangalorean traditional breakfast Gendadde in a cooker. To prepare Gendadde, I am using half glass of Urad dal, 1 tablespoon of Fenugreek seed, washing it twice in water, taking 2 glasses of Dosa rice nicely cleaned in the water and soaking both the rice and the dal for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, I have prepared the fine paste of the dal by adding little water. To the rice, I have added 1 cup of grated coconut, little water, ground it for some time and then added 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 kg of jaggery and ground it further. I have mixed the batter together nicely and then let it rest by covering it for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, to a cooker I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, few mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, I have added 2 finely chopped onion, few curry leaves and fried it well. The onion is fried well. Let's remove half of this and keep it aside in a plate and then mix the batter and add it to the cooker. Once the batter is added, do not do any kind of stirring, it can cause lumps. Add the fried onion back on top. I have kept the flame on the complete low. Let's cover the cooker by removing the rubber and the whistle. This can take up to 30 to 45 minutes for cooking. After 30 minutes, you can insert a knife and check if there is any uncooked batter on the knife. In our case, there is no such batter on the knife. The Gendadde is completely cooked. The tasty Gendadde is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!